Hello guys, today I'll be showing you the 120 limit and 80 beep sound in Mercedes-Benz Indian variant. But before, I'll also show you after disabling the 120 and 80 speed. For some reasons, I cannot show you the disable procedures in the Xentry system. But yeah, but you can do it through SCN coding. SCN coding is nothing but an online coding using the Mercedes-Benz software. So yeah, this is the Mercedes-Benz software which you need, and you need a proper DO, PI and Ethernet connection support. Without proper support, it will not, I know you cannot have a connection with the ECU and I mean ECU and the PC. The problem is there are many clones here which will damage or which will damage internally to hardware issues, but some DO PI will not support. Some will work, but it is more expensive than the clones. And yeah, overall to say, you need to have a proper tool for this, or else you cannot, I mean, do a proper coding and have a proper support for your car also, because the newer cars has a firewall system in it. It's just like an ECU controls where you cannot code anything you need to use official Mercedes-Benz software itself, and everything needs to be done online. So what happens here is, if you do it online, everything is for Indian variant especially. I wanted to tell you, one of my friend, actually he had an AMG Mercedes-Benz C class, C43, sorry, C63 I think. Yeah, in that what he had done is, he had used an offline this one software, and he had disabled the I mean, he had disabled the speed, this one. But when there was an part replacement which was needed in Mercedes-Benz for warranty claim, after 2 days they called him and they said that, sir, your warranty has been rejected because of there is an attempt in coding to the vehicle which was done irregularly, and it was not done through the official channels of the Mercedes-Benz software. So then they rejected the warranty. So after that, he had called me and I said him, why did you do like this? And he said that, no, I just done it off, I didn't know like this. So just be careful with the outside world. Anyone is doing with non-genuine Mercedes-Benz this one speed disabling or any coding, you need to have proper channels and proper uploads to the Mercedes-Benz website, or else you will be in trouble, is what I wanted to say. So the next thing here is, I won't be showing you, I'll just be showing you the sound, and after disabling I'll be showing you the sound. So yeah, if you need it to get it disabled, you just mail me, or message me, or if you are in Bangalore, just let me know. I can do it, but this is chargeable, basically what I wanted to say, and that charges is not for me. Why? Because let me tell you first thing, I have two Mercedes-Benz. One is Mercedes-Benz C-Class AMG 300D, and one is GLC FL 2020 model, which is 220D. Yeah, so both are actually facelifts, and yeah, this AMG one is also the facelift which had as the last generation, which they had FL5 they had. So FL5 only some 23 variants or something came in the showroom that they did not even bother to advertise, and I picked it up on March 8th or something in 2021 I picked it up. First thing you need to be very clear regarding this is you need not drive the vehicle to show that you have a speed of 120 or 80 kilometers sound. It is not like that. This one, this error is due to the codings which I had done and I have not driven the vehicle. So that error will come due to telematic services not connected to the instrument cluster or car, where it will tell login service error. I don't bother, because that can also, if you drive it, it will just go. Then if you clear the memory later, it will just go. So just be careful with the instrument what you're purchasing, because there are even Bosch MST65 something. Those things also are there in fake, and anybody selling those clones to you, just be careful, because it will not work. So this is the area which I wanted to show. This is the instrument cluster where I selected in the dash, and so I just came to the, this is the error code areas where if there is any error, so basically there won't be any error. So you need to go to adaptations is something. See, adaptations, I'll just show you where you need to get the coding done. You just come to the adaptations, control unit update of SCN coding. So this area you need to do the coding. You need to go here, you need to get a login ID and password and do it. What I want to tell you is this login ID and password is actually chargeable and not from my end. So I am not taking anything from my side and giving you, using it for profit. This is just the login ID and password. For 1 hour it is chargeable, or for 1 day it is chargeable, depending on the hours and the day you are going to use it. It is chargeable by the other persons from different countries who give you this login ID and password. Basically they come in TeamViewer and they give it, and they just wait so that the parameters are done and you can be using it. So that is the criteria what is there. So what I want to tell is forget that adaptations part, because you need a login ID and password, which I won't be showing you for the login ID and password from whom I'm taking what I'm doing, because those things will be a problem to show. And the VIN numbers which I have disabled, blurred out, I won't be even showing you those things. So please bear with me. So now you are in the actuation model. You can diagnose you can test your your instrument cluster without driving. So this is the button. If I press this button, it is going to show the speed. I'll be pressing this button, and you can see my instrument cluster, whether there is an Indian warning type in the dashboard or not. So see, so this will be so you came to know that you need not drive a vehicle. Now you just this one, you need to have a user ID and password basically. So just be careful with the thing what you are going to do, or else you will be in trouble. So if you need any other videos like service cost or anything, just let me know. I will do the videos for you guys. And even any Mercedes-Benz, anything you have any queries on, programming or something, you can just contact me. But yeah, first thing, it is I am not going to charge you. The person who is going to charge me, the same thing I am going to charge you, but you need to have these tools. Or else if you are in Bangalore, you can just drop by, so that I can only do it for you, but you need to pay for that charges, the login ID and password, or else I can't also help you. I can do it manually for you, but manually, just make sure that whatever you're deciding is to the right on track. So now I'll be showing you the offline, I mean we'll be showing you um, the disabled section again. Just give me, I'll change the cut shot from here. So the coding was actually done, I made it. Now guys, but whatever it is, you need to have internet. Make sure whatever coding you're doing, you need to have internet. Without internet, I mean without internet, I think it's going to be a lot of issue for this car, because the newer vehicles need internet for these diagnostic purposes and all, and without proper internet connection, I think it's not going to be possible. So just have the proper internet connection also when doing. So, and also when you're doing this kind of codings, make sure that you have the what do you call, the battery connect for, you need to also have this one, so make sure you use that one. So, and I have one more car backside, which is, yeah. So anyway, we'll be, I mean you'll be seeing the part. There are a lot of things you can do, like only deactivate seatbelt sounds, or disable the engine start stop, or all the Indian variants, even the AMG variants are locked for 250 km/h speeds, so you can unlock it for whatever the speeds you need. And the inside circulation will be deactivating every 15 minutes to half an hour, so you can keep it on. For Indian variants, for Indian conditions, I think keeping the inside circulation on is mandatory, or else you will this one AC filters will be clogged up. And yeah, the AC filters itself will cost you around 11,000 change or something, because I've seen many videos regarding the AC filter where they don't have that Mercedes-Benz sprays, or this one, just they put the filter in it and they just charge you like full like low cost or something. So make sure that avoid those things, and please only visit genuine Mercedes-Benz service center for proper servicing the vehicle. Yeah, and one more thing I want to tell, you can actually do the service in your home itself. You need not go to Mercedes-Benz service center and get the vehicle serviced for warranty. What I wanted to say is, see, if you have proper internet, proper connections, and proper this one, you can itself do the servicing, and you can update to the Mercedes-Benz with the whatever the software I'm telling you, with the login ID and password, everything, if you are there. Believe me, the service center has got very strict instructions regarding disabling these kind of things. Before they were doing this disabling stuff, but now, if you even, beg them also, if you bribe them also, they won't do, because everything is recorded on that user ID and password, so that that particular person who has done the job will be fired, and they will force you to take the car back and come to the service center and get it repaired again. They will do the coding again and make sure that is turned on again. So yeah, these kind of things, just be careful, because the service center will not do at any cost. I had wasted my time with those guys. Now they are not going to do any kind of things like that. Even nobody is authorized to do that. In India, they have got very strict instructions from the Mercedes-Benz. I asked, and I finally bought the tools itself for these reasons. Yeah, they might tell me regarding, sir, no, like what is that, we won't do, we can't do, we got strict insurance. People might tell like, this and all is fake, you need not waste your time. They're all telling lies, like that Mercedes-Benz and all will not. But actually it had happened with my friend for the warranty claim, and some things where even the mentality what we'll be having. I had these mentalities, but unfortunately now I think I was proved myself wrong after experiencing both cars. With both cars, whatever the things that happened. Anyway, after the GLC, for the GLC which I disabled, I actually went for the service center for the switch claim. I mean, my my left side back door switch was actually gone. So I had actually disabled at that time itself the speed warning cluster. I mean the sound speed warning, and yeah, they claimed just the warranty got claimed. I mean within the week part came and I got the warranty approved. Everything was done because I had done the SCN coding. So I mean you need not like actually don't go for manual is what I want to tell you. Basically just be careful when you're doing this because government standards and norms are too much, and Mercedes-Benz also have got strict instructions on this. So now let's check it. So here you go. I think something happened for the software. I think the button is not coming. Oh shit, it got forced logged out. I mean, why it got logged? I think there was some. Oh, it's not also fine. Okay, let's again try again because I'm not sure. This is the first time it happened. This is a live thing. Even I didn't even check it that there is sound. I am checking with you guys itself. So this tool actually cost me only the tool. I mean the tool itself cost me like around 90,000 or something. Yeah, I didn't buy it from any Indian guys because they are selling in India in North, and I found it is all cloned up, and they don't actually, you know, they also don't know. They say 100% proper mal. They इसमें कुछ भी whatever they say that like there are no whatever Mercedes-Benz itself they say, but technically I wanted more reliable and stronger version which is uh, doing the codings properly with some aluminum case shelling and something like that. I just bought the tool. So the plastic tool what is there, after 1 hour or 1.5 hours they actually heat up very badly, and you can listen the same complaints from the Mercedes-Benz itself, from the dealer actually. You can ask the dealer regarding this experience. You get a warning symbol here that it is overheating, the unit is overheating, etc. So make sure that the genuine part itself after 4-5 hours get too heated up. I mean 3 hours, 2 hours, because the online coding, updating, scanning only takes too much. So make sure that you buy something very reliable, and I bought actually the reliable one itself. So yeah. But if you buy the tool also it is no use. You need to have the login ID and password also for doing some coding, or else it is not going to be possible. So yes, I think yeah, my yeah, next videos I'll be doing. If you wanted the videos regarding the service or something, the cost, because my GLC is already service 1 year completed. Service A, yeah, service A is being done already in my car. So service B, in this service A is pending. So this takes lot of time, guys. For just the scanning, checking, I mean it really, you need to spend a lot of time on this. But if you are aware in doing these kind of things, just be a little bit careful is what I wanted to say. Don't jump and do everything at once and screw up the ECUs, and later you don't get warranties for those things. So just be very careful when doing. I think the Xentry got crashed because of my laptop. Yeah, my laptop is also it's overeating. I think I was doing from 1 p.m. the codings, and and I thought let me do a video for, because I saw there's no any videos for India regarding this disabled thing. But yeah, I'm just worried regarding the government norms which is coming up. I mean, they're really hardwiring the 120 and 80 speed sounds. So guys, if you just purchase this Xentry or something, please even purchase an proper battery charger tool for your car, or else you will drain out too much of battery, is what I wanted to tell you. So let's test it. So there's no any sound. There's no any sound which I wanted to tell you. Yeah. Now I think you need to get some. So there's no any sound regarding that speed or something, but you wanted to know whether the instrument cluster has some sound or something. You can just go here to verify that whether there is any sounds or something like that. You can go here. So there is sound coming also. I think cluster speaker, you can just check. Let me show you the sound because you don't. Yeah, everything is working normal. So yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you for your time. Bye bye. See you. If you have any videos, just call. If you just want any videos, just comment below so that I will see the videos and tell you guys what to do. Okay, bye bye. And if anyone is in Bangalore needed this kind of coding service also, just let me know before you just drop off. Okay guys, bye.